Okay, I think I went live. I'm gonna put my headset on. I think it's on. Is it on? Okay. Anyway, here I go. The new catalog will come available on May the 5th. May the 5th. So here's the front cover. I can't show it to you, but if you're interested in getting one, let me know. And this is the Notes of Spring. This is the product of the month. I got that for my order. And then, like I said, I thought I did this whole video this. Because look, here's all my paper out. So I got the Scenic Coast Suite. So here it is. Here is the Scenic Coast Suite. Here is the stamps that go with it. These are the Sunset Sparkles. And these are the dies that go with it. The Sunset Coast dies. And here is all the paper. It looks like there's like 6 of each paper. So, let me see. So here is this one. Because, see, it looks like a sunset. And then here is the next one. Also looks like a sunset. And then they have, you know, solid colors on the back that you can do. Hold on. I guess, oh, no, this is going to be the, okay. And then here's the next one. And then here's the next one, which has the red on the back. Oh, does this have the red on the back? Oh, it's the same one. This one has the purple on the back. Let's see. This one has the purple on the back. Actually, I'm wrong. This one. This one, would, to me, doesn't look like a sunset. Guess so. This is the water, and then this is the sunset, I guess. Yeah, because it kind of shimmers. Can y'all see that shimmering? And then it has a purple on the back. So I might be using that just as the purple on the back. And I'm probably saying that purple is probably Highland Heather. Then here is the back of this one. And here's the, to me, this is the back. That's the front. Okay, and then here's this little sunset. So pretty. And then a blue with this one. And you can see the little sun. That's what I think of it, as a little sun. I'd wink a Stella that too, make it all bright. That's cool. Let's see what colors actually are in here. Balmy Blue, Blueberry Bushel, Crushed Curry, Gorgeous Grape, Highland Heather, Strawberry Slush. There we go. All right, and then the last bit of paper that it came in the suite is the Sunset Shimmer Vellum, which I believe I got some of that for another thing. So I should make a card. So maybe I'll make a card here. Actually, I've got to make a couple of sympathy cards. And here is the Stampin' Up! Masking paper. I do have Gina K's masking paper, but this is Stampin' Up's. But anyway, let me get this paper back in here. And thank y'all for either watching me live or replay. I know that I usually go live at 5 or it's 8. And it's about 6, a little bit after 6 today. So if you catch me, you catch me. If you don't, and maybe I'll just do a couple of cards and I will flash them on here in a little bit. So that is the plan. So thank y'all for watching me, and I'm going to go ahead and jump off. Thanks. Bye.